Hello, my alien students. Welcome back. We have linked the AutoCAD file. What I've done is click link, okay, and then link the AutoCAD file. Okay, this is the file which we created a couple of minutes ago in in AutoCAD. Same thing. I've linked it to Revit. Okay, so what's the story now? The story is we are very far from the marker. Okay, so what we do is type VG, go to annotation, type E. Sorry. And, yeah, we got the flow plan. Now what you can do is just go to the architectural tab. Now it's just matter of drawing in. Sorry, just connect the lines. That's it. So what you're going to do is just draw. All the dimensions are in center to center. I'm just going to draw this one. 1 minute. Okay, I'm just making a bit of a. It's too small for me. Yeah, 724 is 724. You can't have. Okay. Yeah, so what we'll do is wall, we're going to not sorry, to level 2 center line. Everything looks good. Just draw a small part of the wall. Okay, you will see why. We did not have done that one, but anyway, we've done it. We're done. This is the exterior wall, so we don't do the interior wall. Okay, keep going, keep going. Great, similar. We need that one. We need this one. I hope you got what I'm doing. Okay. You will understand. Don't worry. Don't take stress about it. Maybe put up this one. This one. This one. This one. That is there. That is there. That is there. We need. If you become headache, pick a line. Done. Okay. Okay. Look at this. It's a bit strange here, but one center line to center line is 484, which is what we need. Make this guy small and this one to need. Sorry. Okay. Done the exterior walls. Interior walls can be thinner ones. Maybe 81. Do we have a thinner one? We have 100. 79, 80. Sorry. Beautiful. Okay. Just align that one to this one, and press only this one. Escape once. Let's do this. Okay, we are done. Let's CO, copy from where to where. This one to here. Same story. Align. Trim also. Join. TR. Sorry. I think something funny here. We have to see. Let's delete this one. Okay. Then what you do is you just see this. Sorry. Maybe what I can do is make everything. It's a bit too thick wall. I think we make it all 100 millimeter or 80 millimeter. Okay, not connected. Strange. Okay. Let's see 3D view how it looks. Looks like this. It's fair enough good. Then the height of the too much. 4 meter looks good. Thin. Okay. Thin one. Okay, this looks long. Okay. For this one, we will do this one, just put in and then okay. Same story the other end. Okay. What we can do is create similar. Just to make life easy now, I'm just going to draw the dimension. So, you know, individual, we can do entire wall. I'll show you what happens. We don't need that one. We need this one to options. Select references and openings. Okay. We are winning. I think we've done one of this is 484. Okay, this didn't add on the center. What you need to do is just click 484. Done. Okay. Yes, beautiful. It's similar. Future reference. This. Okay. Hope you are happy now. Okay, we will draw the interior walls now, the other ones inside. After this, what we're going to do is we're going to start the MEP, yeah, plumbing fixtures here. We're going to add the ceiling, everything. Okay, so this is the story. Still find that this building is too small. One more dimension to add. Center 100. Perfect. Okay. Okay. Anyway, hope everybody enjoyed part 2 of the video. In part 3 of the video, we will add rooms to this room schedule, create a room schedule. Actually, you shouldn't have created a room schedule now. You should have created a room schedule before drawing the drawing. Yeah, before drawing the architectural walls. Because then you have a list of all the rooms you want to assign. So you don't miss any room. Okay, how to do that is go to Annotate tab, or let's say views, create schedule. What we need to create a room schedule. Okay, room schedule, new. We need name, number. Maybe we can also have level. Okay, we have level 1, level 2, and if you want, just for argument's sake, we can have it put the area. So now when I put it will be unassigned. Okay, we can say create a new one. Insert. Insert data row, keep adding. Okay, row 1, just change the name, whatever, and then let's say after doing that, we will So you need room 1, assign it to. Okay, so in that way, you see room 1 went off, so this is room 2. You see room 2 went off, but so that's the way you create a room schedule. We will create a more detailed project for that one. Okay. Anyway, hope everybody enjoyed this class. So just a quick class just to play around with AutoCAD and Revit. So that is the story for today. Make it fine, and yeah, we'll see each other in the next class.